Greetings, brothers, sisters, friends, and foes. It's Bill from Agape on the streets, and I'm here on Catalina Island. Got a couple funny emails from a few of you about my past videos about watching me in bed half naked. Well, here's a picture of me standing behind a pulpit. I love you guys. I get some pretty silly emails, and wow, it's just been an amazing last few days. The fellowship here is great. I've been working with Pastor Enrique at Singing Waters Christian Center and putting in some audio visual. Great worship this morning at the Avalon Community Church. This is the building that we completely redid last summer, and the Holy Spirit's just moving amazingly. A sense of family amongst the brothers and sisters like I have felt nowhere else. So I've been really blessed here as I'm working to earn money for my move up to Flagstaff, where I'll be working at a camp, hopefully blessing some Christian brothers and sisters up there that bought the camp. They've had a very hard time with some people they've tried to get to work for them. So I'm praying that this could just be a mutual. They're blessing me definitely by the job, and I can bless them. I want to thank you all for your prayers. God is doing mighty miracles, and I want to thank you all very much. And right now, hey, let's join the Avalon Community Church here. Pastor John, as he leads worship, it's a real blessing. And I want to bless you guys with just a little taste of this. God bless y'all. Bye-bye now.